Hey everyone, welcome back to Windowz Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 simple steps to fix the blue screen of death BSOD on Windows 10. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. The blue screen of death BSOD on Windows 10 occurs when the system encounters a critical error that it can't recover from, typically due to hardware failures, driver conflicts, or corrupted system files. These crashes force Windows to stop and display an error code, which helps identify the underlying issue. BSOD can be caused by faulty memory, overheating, incompatible software, or corrupted updates. Let's dive into the video and fix this issue. Step 1. Check for hardware issues. Disconnect any newly connected hardware devices. Ensure all internal components RAM, hard drives are securely connected. Restart your computer to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update or roll back drivers. Press Win+X and select Device Manager. Look for devices with a yellow triangle, indicating a driver issue. Right-click on the device, then select Update Driver or Roll Back Driver if a recent update caused the problem. Step 3. Run System File Checker SFC. Open Command Prompt as an administrator, or PowerShell as administrator. Type SFC, Scano, and press Enter to scan and repair corrupted system files. After enter the command, the scan will begin, and then search the PC for any corrupted files or any missing files and driver. So be patient and sit back till the proxies finish. Let me fast forward this process for you. After that, run DISME online, clean up image, restore health to fix potential issues with the system image. Even this process takes time, so be patient. Restart your computer once the processes are complete. These steps should help you resolve the BSOD on Windows 10. And there you have it, you resolve the BSOD on Windows 10. As helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.